New at 10, a Littleton woman finds out her bank accounts are closed, her credit canceled, and her home is now in jeopardy.
She says it's simply because of what her husband does for a living. Denver 7's Jacqueline Allen has this Contact 7 consumer alert that could affect tens of thousands of people in Colorado.
The Herrera family just needed a little extra cash to update their Littleton home. And at first, their bank, Wells Fargo, gave conditional approval for a line of credit. Then, an abrupt about-face.
Once they found out the company he worked for, they decided they couldn't count his income.
That's when everything went bad.
See, Ben works at a North Denver marijuana grow house. The bank told him his income couldn't count for that line of credit, but it didn't stop there. More letters came.
He had a credit card, I had a credit card, and then I had a line of credit.
All canceled.
All canceled.
Not only did Wells Fargo cancel their credit, the bank sent notice their cash accounts, checking, savings would also be closed. Managing risk, final decision. While Wells Fargo won't tell them why, they know.
Because my money comes from a federally illegal industry. And it's ridiculous.
Access to banking has been an ongoing concern for the industry for a long time.
Christy Kelly with the Marijuana Industry Group says initial concerns were around risk like this for dispensary owners, but employees are increasingly under the microscope. With more than 40,000 workers in Colorado, they're pushing for change.
We have to resolve this at the federal level in order to ease what's really happening at a very micro level at the local levels.
But that doesn't help the Herreras, now worried their Wells Fargo mortgage could mean their home is also at risk. The bank only sent this statement: "We are aware of Ms. Herrera's concerns regarding her accounts and will work with her to review her circumstances."
They have not worked with me at all. I've contacted them a couple times and they only say there's nothing they can do.
For now, they're looking at the few industry-friendly banks in Colorado and trying to spread the word.
Nobody tells you that your bank accounts can be canceled.
The pot industry spokespeople tell me this is not the norm, but it is happening to families here, and banks have a right to do this right now. Now, several federal bills are in the works, including ones co-sponsored by Senator Cory Gardner that could ease some of these banking restrictions. And Shannon?
Chilling for a lot of people in our state.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jacqueline.